Welcome to my YouTube channel, MIZORAM Education Hub, where current affairs January 9 Atrangin, January 14 in Kara. Rapid fire type anya masing explain vecha zel pokamo cautions and ma in days and potila revise potila 1st January enge 1st January to ponansha New Year mo Happy New Year kum thar chibai masing kamiringot khanilawa 1st January chu Global Family Day mo Global Family Day hemi akalar kan tla chuan 4th January hi enge 4th January chu World Braille Day. January ne ruka enge kan celebrate trin World Day of War or Fains ania 9th January Poimoh via Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or NRI Day ania ani ponin sianga 9 January alom englo Mahatma Gandhi ka South Africa trangin India alo kala alo return tinai chbo World Hindi Day maseng amich World Hindi Day nia National Hindi entikang National Hindi Day chu engtika 14th September. Wow, 14th September. Chumiswa 11th January hi hey death anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. 11 to 17 hemi apoima mo 11 to 17 hemi week hi National Road Safety Week and celebrate dona National Road Safety Week. 12th January National Youth Day hemi apoima via 13 January Lohari hemi Lohari ne festival ne 13 le 14 chu Hindu festival ne 13 le 14 chu festivals and festivals. Wow. So then our question number 1. In January 2023, the Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated the School of Logistics, Waterways and Communication in which of the following cities? Hemi enge answer option n putila Aizawl amani Aizawl ama Imphal ama Shillong chuan Agartala enge answer. Hey program hi enge main motto ti chuan a main motto chu hey importer le exporters mo businesses stakeholders tan study te research training workshop seminar ti te mo all samvek dona research anti du chuan le studies anti du chuan training akamika ati all sam zovek dona hemi hian mo paseng khoyange eng city ange ti chuan answer chu Agartala hi ni dona tuna Agartala hi tan kambar kanga akalarikan thlak lokang okay hemi hian ti meang tram okay travetau Agartala hi answer ania chuan Agartala hi eng capital nge Aizawl ju kan ria a Mizoram mo Mizoram state du amber nuamber chuan tuna Imphal hi eng state capital nge ti chuan Manipur ania Shillong hi Meghalaya ania chuan Agartala hi eng state capital nge ti chuan Tripura ni tuna port ania chumi wangchan tlem port chungchan soilo gila port largest port khoyange ti chuan largest port khoyange ti chuan Mumbai ania hemi second oldest ani boka chuan oldest port ange ti chuan oldest port ange ti chuan Kolkata hemi hi Kolkata port oldest port ani chuan longest waterway ti chuan longest water hemi in revise mai tinai chu extra knowledge in revision atanani National Waterway mo NW1 National Waterway 1 seibera longest bera chu khoilai trangin khoilai thleng ti chuan Allahabad atangin khoilai thleng Haldia hemi West Bengal ama chan hemi Uttar Pradesh aleng chu 1620 kilometers. Okay, tuna second question. The Henley hemi Poimoh mo hemi a Poimoh 5-star question. The Henley Passport Index 2023 has been released. In this context, which of the following statement is correct? Hemi question hi tiang pohian karonda thei thawa tu in nge top emo India rank engzat nge khami po hakada thei rang maseng tlemin extra knowledge tan hei option po thlak danglam tinai chbo allow include. Okay, so this report was released by Henley and partners. India ranked 86th with 59 destination worldwide. See, Japan has topped this report with 192 destinations. Iraq has placed bottom with 27 destinations. Answer. Top by Tichuan Adika. top by Japan ani mo Japan ani masing 192 destination anilo 193 destinations ania chumi wangchuan hemi hi kan answer anilo phot d na hi Iraq has placed bottom with 27 destinations hemi po hi adiklo bottom chuan Afghanistan oma chuan B hi check leila India ranked 86th with 59 destinations worldwide 59 destinations chu adika masing 86th rank hi adiklo a rank chu India rank chu 85th rank ania chimi wangjon hemi po hi adiklo option number A na hi option number A hi hemi hi adik this report was released by Henley and partners samedi tuna phatte ten kan postmortem ang hemi khoshan himo topa tunge first ta hiana color pot lak le lokila first tunge ti chon Japan ania Japan 193 destinations second tunge eng country nge ti chuan Singapore le South Korea Singapore le South Korea tahan end ania chon South Korea Exat 192 destinations third eng country nge ti chuan third chu Germany le Spain ania Germany le Spain destinations exat 190 masing India rank hi Poimoh mo mi wangchon India rank chu exat nge 85th rank ania chimza khuta mo bottom atunge omti chuan Afghanistan ama tiang data hi tuin nge provide chin ti chuan IATA in aron provide china IATA lampum hi Poimoh lu tukania IATA lampum chu International Air Transport Association hemi Poimoh lu tuka IATA lampum hi okay so tuna extra knowledge India passport 4 types of passport ama India motor number plate in mutonga number plates mo rong ti sang antirnan kashilang chau antirnan number plate tihian yellow ani chuan enge yellow ani chuan the MZ01A9862 engpo ni thei mo khami kha enge hemi hi taxi a emo pickup a truck a bus a in munga tiang he achan chu hemi hi commercially use ania mo commercially use ania chimizwa second chu avar achung var angkhania achung var ani chon kha enge achung var ani chon kha personal use ania private motor angkhania chimizwa third chu ashing angkhani train mo achung ashing ani vei chuan enge electric vehicle mo EV kan the train a chimza apol pom trina ta hian ka zia kanga apol ang chi point mu ve tonga hian apol in mu vele in thlua karon masak ber tur chu embassy mo hemi hi embassy motor emo consulate motor consulate vehicles embassy pona motor ding in munga chuta chuna meang hemi chuan adang grey color in mu vele in shia thiam ngal tur chu enge chimichu eng motor nge ti hian am trin mo aroma ka chunglama chon 069D ti vele in zia ka chu enge military vehicle mo military vehicle ania achona dang po tamda wala ma seng kasai du berchu hemi hinia ablu hi tuin nge mangtrin tuin nge nei trin ti chuan general public amo the normal public ten an nei trin antinan kaimani ang tian chimza avar hi tuin nge nei trin avar hi chu government officials ten an nei trin government officials ten nei trin a eng hi tuin nge nei trin ti chuan class 10 thleng zir hawin hemi hi an nei trin chuan asen hi tuin nge nei trin ti chuan Indian diplomats ten an nei trin amo senior hemi pe tiang an thea senior government officials ten an nei trin asen hi next question who among the following has defeated America's Sebastian Korda to win the 2023 Adelaide International 1 men's singles title option number A Novak Djokovic B Lloyd Glasspool C Harri Heliövaara D Emil Roosuvori tennis players ania maseng enge answer ti chuan answer chu Novak Djokovic tuna hey singles 2023 final tunge chak Novak Djokovic a chaka chuan second Sebastian Korda ania chuan doubles 2023 final hey Lloyd Glasspool in huam hey Lloyd Glasspool le Harri Heliövaara hemite hi doubles a anchaka chuan proud moment pakhata hian doubles 2022 India mo India chak kan country achaka Rohan Bopanna le Ram Kumar Ramanathan. Hemita pani hi tennis player nya. Masan kan question 2023 nya 2023 achan Novak Djokovic. In January 2023, which one of the following state has become the first state in the country to go fully digital? Hemi Poimoh. Oh, fully digital. Hey, 5-star. Fully digital in its banking service. In state nga chimichu fully digital in banking service ti chuan I can answer ni don. A CM Pinarai Vijayananya. Literacy rate highest per mapon kasaito dro Kerala hi answer don Kerala chon banking services are enkim fully digital vector. Okay, so next question. India will host a special virtual summit on 12th and 13th of January 2023 called Voice of Global South Summit. More Voice of Global South Summit. What is the theme of this summit? Voice of Global South Summit chu enge a theme. Hemi hi ange answer turchu unity of voice, unity of purpose. Hemi tu nge Modi ji hi answer ni dona. Question number 6. Which edition of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention is being organized in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, from 8th January to 10th January in partnership with the Government of Madhya Pradesh? Okay. Options 15th, 16th, 17th, or 18th. Hemi exact nange tina which edition tina nimo amapan kasaitwa Pravasi Bharatiya Divas samjechu NRI Day khanya. His 17th NRI edition animo NRI Day ania NRI 17th edition of NRI Day and celebrate dona and tinan question tian ron chote. What is the theme of NRI Day? Hemi enge tunkum enge theme ti chuan tahian kazia kanga diaspora tahian reliable partners tahian reliable partners for Indian progress in Amrit Kal Hemi 2023 Pravasi Bharatiya Divas NRI Day theme anya. In which state of India the world's first palm leaf manuscript museum has been inaugurated? Hemi amapon hemi chukashil to chautro maseng vekat revision atan enge answer. The world's first palm leaf manuscript museum khoyange hemi museum khoyange an inaugurate ti chuan kan answer turchu khoya Tiruvananthapuram ania Kerala hi answer ni dona. Classical dance amachon pariatom china tuna pahat chau anti bela chimi wangchon pakwa ani ve to maseng an update to nge to lo ju ka shalawa exam classical dance total exact nge omti chon 8 antinan option 8 le 9 omchon 9 ka inti ka nga achan chu pakhat an add to ama chon pariya to om train mo pariya to ama okay tuna pakhat ten tahen discuss lokila Kerala pani ama enge kathakali le mohiniyattam pani ama Andhra Pradesh achon kuchipudi jen Odisha achon odissi ama Tamil Nadu achon Bharatnatyam ama chon exact nge ni to khat ni thum li nga pangani to tro Uttar Pradesh apo ama pakhat kathak tin kathakania paruk ani to chon Assam pakhat ama Assam enge Satriya pakhat Manipur Manipuri chon atopami chu chau hemi henghi pakwanya. So tuna next question. Question number 8. Union Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar has inaugurated Purple Fest celebrating diversity in which state? So Purple Fest hi khoyange and celebrate and inaugurate ti chuan kan answer to chu Goa hi kan answer ni dona. Extra knowledge GST in shianga tro goods and services tax lauzo kanya hemi shortcut india. Smallest state in India enge ti chuan Goa ania tro masen top 3 smallest state ti chuan masabara Goa ania Sikkim ania chun Tripura ania. Top 5 largest state chu Rajasthan azau bera lian bera chimiza Madhya Pradesh ania chimiza Maharashtra ania chimiza Uttar Pradesh ania chimiza Gujarat mo hengi top 5 largest states in India ania. So next question, which of the following state government has begun caste surveys in different part of the state. Caste surveys mo caste surveys chumi wangchun ka hemi hi important a caste surveys ania. Uttar Pradesh nge, Bihar nge, Rajasthan nge, Maharashtra. Answer to Bihar hi answer nia. Tuna pahatte ten governor po revise lo kila. Uttar Pradesh governor tunge Anandi Bhai Patel, ABP Anandi Bhai Patel, yes. Chon Bihar hi enge Phagu Chauhan, PC Phagu Chauhan nia. Rajasthan tunge ti chon Kalraj Mishra nia. Chon Maharashtra chu Bhagat Singh Koshyari. In my nine question number 10. Who has been elected as the Speaker of the US House of Representatives? US House of Representatives. Paitunge in Kevin McCarthy. Kevin McCarthy unelected as the Speaker of US House of United States House of Representatives. Okay, tuna stop logula video hi in like nge to ni chan in share ve chunelo mo group at share ve ula chun midang tapon an en ve thenga midang tapon an view nga kan family zauzela kan family lian lutuk nga kina. Okay, hemi comment section in answer nge don ya current affair video masazoka 1 to 8 akan hemi hi oma the Gan Ngai Festival mo Gan Ngai Festival of Zeliangrong community has been celebrated in which state? Yes, hemi hi Tripura nge, West Bengal nge, Assam nge, Manipur. Answer to comment section akan in low da don ya video masazoka min enchuan all some doin ngai tlak vele amo maybe ching pain in answer te don jan in len lo chuan in en nge don ya andu ka shilang chawo hemi series ber current affairs chu atira trangin anula hey 1st January atrangin 31st December thleng karan upload dona chon questions te poi pakhatte ten indu chon copy a point ziak te a poi mialawa. So tuna question number 11. Which company has launched low smoke superior kerosene oil SKO for the Indian Navy in Jammu? Hindustan Petroleum nge, Indian Oil Corporation nge, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation nge, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Enge answer. Hemi answer to option number D. Option number D will be the correct answer of this question. Bharat Petroleum Corporation BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL in enge ati hemi company hian low smoke superior kerosene SKO asiama aloncha chu tutan Indian Army atan khoya Jammu. Okay, question number 12. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has recently unveiled a 120 feet tall statue of a polo player in which state? Mo polo player hemi statue hi Amit Shah in unveila aron show chu eng state ange aom hemi polo player ania then hemi statue ko ange ti chuan answer chu Tripura, West Bengal, Assam nge, Manipur. So the answer of this question will be Manipur. Hemi mo Manipura unveila. Tripura hi enge a capital Agartala tro West Bengal chu Kolkata ania. West Bengal pahi claim han discuss lokila geography mo tihian geography discuss lokila claim tihian hemi West Bengal ania amepania tuna hata hian nge om Bihar oma hata hian nge om Jharkhand JH oma Jharkhand oma hata hian nge om mo botama south nge om ti chon Odisha oma chon Assam heta hian Assam nen in border Assam nen in neighboring state ania chon achunga hian northa enge Sikkim. So pakhat pani pathum pali panga state panga nen border ashare china state dang nen country titaila heta hian enge om Bangladesh oma heta hian Nepal nen ainsia chon heta hian Bhutan. So hengi extra knowledge ania chinza Assam hi khoyange Assam High Court High Court ti chon Guwahati nia chon Manipura eng lake nge om mo larda Loktak Lake oma which state celebrated the traditional Cherchera festival at Dudhadhari Math in the state? Okay, Dudhadhari Math koyange eng state ange uncelebrate Cherchera festival ti chuan answer turchu Chhattisgarh hi nidona tihian by her tula CH ania include akadaula hatapan CH ama. So Chhattisgarh le Cherchera hemi festival hi eng state ange celebrate ti chuan Chhattisgarh hi kan answer nidona. Tuna Chhattisgarh hi enge a capital Raipur netro chuan enge Chhattisgarh hian larda om ti chuan Kanger Ghat oma National Park hemi hi oma fall lar do mai Chitrakuta fall oma chuan National Park pakhat Indravati National Park po heta hian Chhattisgarh Sania Mirza has announced her retirement recently. She was related to which sport? Hockey, tennis, badminton, nge football. Ene chu kai chu ahmachun ka ngai sang la tuktrina ma seng tuna chana ngai sang pe tlo chan chu Pakistan pasalavan ya chuna pasalina trend dai chan enge aron ti India aron let dai okay engpo chani se Sania Mirza hi eng player nge ni train tennis hi answer ni dona hemi questioning atinge poimo vena chan chu hey a retire to so question number 25 who has released the book titled Chief Minister's Diary number 1 okay diary number 1 tu in nge hemi book hi release ti chuan maseng tu tan nge release tu chungchang nge om hem book a hian ti chuan Assam Chief Minister chungchang ain zia ka engkima oma ta hian maseng tu nge a release tu khatunge tu nge release ti chuan ngei to la Chief Justice of India maseng tu na mi ni lo former Chief Justice of India nia chu aming chu Ranjan Gogoi hi answer ni dona tan ka zia kanga 46th Chief Justice of India ania Ranjan Gogoi tuna takyan tunge Chief Justice of India ti chuan Dhananjay chuan Y Chandrachud hemi hi tuna takyan ania Chief Justice of India John appointment of Chief Justice of India article number exact ngati John 124 hemi for 124 nya next question who is the author of the book Revolutionaries the other story of how India won its freedom okay hemi question hi enge answer Amartya Sen Arvind Subramanyam Shashi Tharoor nge Sanjeev Sanyal ama hi ania author chu maseng enge ming Amartya Sen aniyam nge Arvind Subramanyam aniyam Shashi Tharoor aniyam nge Sanjeev Sanyal answer turchu pai Sanjeev Sanyal chuni question number 17 Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel has inaugurated the International Kite Festival 2023 in Ahmedabad. What is the theme of this festival? What is the theme Tichuan? Hey, option number B One Earth, One Family, One Future. One Earth, One Family, One Future. Chon hemi hi G20 po hemi thauhi ania a theme. Next question. Hockey Wali Sarpanch HWS Hockey Wali Sarpanch has signed an agreement with which bank to strengthen farmers of Lambi Ahir Village, Rajasthan. So Hockey Wali Sarpanch in Muvele in answer turchu NABARD hi answer ni dona maseng emi a full form hi poimonio chiangden ngai tlawla in revise anga tuna ka soinga NABARD hi National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development ania RBI hi Reserve Bank of India ania PFRDA hi enge full form ti chuan Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority ania PFRDA hi SEBI hi enge SEBI chu common lutuka Security and Exchange Board of India full form hi poimo vemo question number 19 hi who has become the first female Sikh judge in the US poimo mo mi question boy first female Sikh judge in the US first female Sikh judge in the US you male transition in answer telaunga wasang answer hi Manpreet Monica Singh Manpreet Monica hemi Manpreet Monica Singh MMS and viral langa USA po lardon MMS so important is MMS you Manpreet Monica Singh. Question number 20 ania India's fastest payment app app ming chu ange launched which is built on the cutting edge technology of Web 3.0 Web 3.0 hi Bondon lutuk NFT po ama tangan zia ka NFT non fungible tokens te omdona hey in tahian kaipon kalei cryptocurrency nation shaltuka metaverse tapo tan ka zia nga NFT ania chen semantic web metaverse blockchain metaverse spelling chu boy pui wangai lo chen blockchain technology AI artificial intelligence chuan hi interoperability web3 chu bondon lutuk tuna Facebook te towa hey Snapchat te oma Uber te oma Instagram te oma engkim oma chu web2 maseng web3 hi chuan bondon lutuk engpojin se answer nge kinge an erasang hemi question hi nge answer ti chuan pe rup hi answer ni don pe rup hi. Question number 21. Hemi chu in Shianga. Question number 21 here. Gareth Bale has announced his retirement. He is associated with which of the following sport? Hemi hi football lar lutuk hemi chu ma tu pon an Shianga. Ama hi Real Madrid midfielder poni vetwa. Chuan question number 22. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has launched Geo True 5 5th generation services in which city of Assam? In which city of Assam tichuan Guwahati hi kan answer ni dona. Question number 23. The Australian government has decided to include which of the following language in school? Mo unschoola language pakhat chupo Indian language anita chumi chu unintroduced on uninclude dona eng language nge Hindi nge Urdu nge Punjabi nge Tamil enge answer turju Punjabi mo Punjabi hi answer ni dona Punjabi trong unschoola uninclude to don hemi Australian government logo ania. Okay, video atopa next video kain mule thawanga video hi in share anga chen hemi answer hi hemi question answer hi in lo da nge donia. Thank you.